Yay, it's new mattress day! Today I'm super excited because we're gonna have a better mattress. We've been on the factory mattress and this 3-inch foam topper for 4 months, and it was time to get a real mattress. So I'm gonna do a really quick, speedy video of installing the new mattress. First I want to show you what we've been doing for the last almost 4 months now. So we live full-time in our 192, a little different if you're just weekending. But we found the bed to be not so great after 4 months. You can see, if like I go here, you can see divots from where we sleep. And right now we're using the factory bed plus a 3-inch memory foam topper. You can see here. So yeah, today we are getting a new 8-inch mattress. I hope it fits. I hope this works. We'll find out. So this is our factory mattress after 4 months, and you can see there's a little bit of divots in here where we're sleeping. It's not too comfortable. It's pretty thin. I don't know. It's time for a new one. We're mooch stocking at our friend's house, which is why we were able to get a mattress delivered to us. This is the Queen 8-inch memory foam comfort pressure relief mattress, and I'm really hoping that this does the trick for us. And here I go to open it and figure out how to get this into our RV. I've carefully opened the box, making sure not to cut it, and then there is an instruction manual on top, and then you can see the box is holding a very compressed bed. According to the instructions, one is just a card. So these are thank you cards to give to people, I guess. Okay, so basically the only instructions, it says remove from packaging within 72 hours and make sure that you are careful unwrapping it and that it needs 24 to 48 hours to decompress. So, yeah, here we go. This is freaking heavy. So after a little bit of fight with the bed, it is in place, and then we have to wait like 2 days for it to fill up and expand. So this is like minute 1. We're about 10 minutes in, and it's definitely filling up, but I feel like it does have a whole day to wait before we can use it. The new mattress is full. It's on the bed. The question is, will it fit when it folds up? So we found out it kind of doesn't. So if you just lift it up normal, it's too tall to latch. So what you need to do is first bend it like this, and then have probably your second person lift it up, and then you can latch.
So fast forward to the future, and it did take about 2 days for the mattress to completely decompress, and it also started closing in the Murphy bed without issue after about a week. We are still happy that we purchased this mattress. However, if we did it again, we'd probably go with the 6-inch because it's also very comfortable and probably easier to close up in the Murphy bed. Our mattress is a true residential queen and not the short queen. You could get the short queen and it would be even easier to fold up in the Murphy bed. We haven't had any issues with moisture, but we do have a waterproof mattress protector on the mattress, and we do switch the position of the mattress from the north side to the south side and back south to north every month so it doesn't get divots in the mattress.